clear for everybody? Beka beka here so that we can start the class now. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ. ಯಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೀ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಈ ಪ್ರೀ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಹಿಜು, ಸೋನು, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸೋನು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ओहो हिजू एक मिनट रुकना, बोलना हिजू, आवाज आ रही है? व्हाट इज दैट बच्चा? Surely I can. I love to. At least we can do some revision, right? Okay, if you want a theoretical description, I love. We can. Why not? Chalo. Yeah. We have some game theory and all, right? Can we start from there?
Yeah, sir. That is also fine, sir.
Okay, Sono, क्या हुआ तेरे को? You are not fine. बच्चा, when is exam, Sono? चलो बच्चे शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. वन सेकेंड, आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर दिस लिंक इन यूट्यूब. लाइक यूट्यूब लिंक भेजता हूँ. हेडम्मा सोनू, अभी not yet. What we thought is that like anyway it has 32 marks. Even if you focus on other remaining chapter, those chapters which are very easy, if you cover that, we will cover 120 plus marks. So that is what we planned. Like spending time on the one which is anyway you are not going to attempt in your exams, right? Doesn't make any sense, I guess. If you want, I can. Bacha. If you, we have a upfront, we have a pre-board next, right? I mean, very soon we have. I mean, कब है आपके exams? When is your exam, bacha? Okay, when is that board exam? For board exams thing, not a problem, we will cover. But you have this pre-board, right? So for that at least okay, you will have sufficient time. But this is going to be a marathon session. We are going to cover maximum portion of your this one. I mean the last chapter. I mean last we have done quality control. Inventory is done, correct? Have you watched or not? Inventory agidella. And we have covered that this one replacement theory. Did you check? Okay, game theory I'll cover now. No, not game theory is not over, bacha. Game theory I'm going to start right now. This one, what is that? Replacement theory I have covered. Remember, replacement theory I have covered. Replacement is over and inventory is over. Now our focus is like next part. I mean that this one game theory I'll finish. After the game theory we have one more chapter, right? That is transportation problems. That will finish today. And I'm sure this 2 hours is going to be very much important because yes, my dear student, today I'll try to finish LLP. This 3 I finish means most of the part has been completed, right? Like हो जाएगा, टेंशन नहीं है. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो गया तो खत्म है ना. So again, like once your exams are over, again we'll start from the 1 month we have. That is sufficient to do fast forward revision. And wherever you have difficulty, that I will cover in the similar way. Parallelly, we will focus 1 marks question. That is something which is very important. 30 marks you have theory this year. So even if you get 70 marks from that practical side, again you need to focus on the 30 marks that need time, right? At least 8 days time you need. Okay.
Statistical inference, which part is more important, sir, in like large sample test or t-test or chi-square?
All three are very important, but in that the hypothetical part we have, right? Type 1 error, type 2 error.
Yeah, sir.
That is something, yeah, very important.
Okay, sir.
ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಕವರ್ ಕರ್ಲಿಂಗೆ ನಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಅದೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫೋಕಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ठीक है, 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡು, ಗೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಗೇಮ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ओके ये नहीं आया ना, ओहो यहाँ पर दिस इज गुड. चलो, game theory means bacha here we have two players. Okay, uh, two players, and they do have some kind of uh, we can say like the outcome or result, that result or outcome for these two players. Okay, for these two players, or the example A and B, one may lose, one may gain, right? And one may gain, another person may lose here. Getting a point? This is something like game theory. We have payoff matrix, max, mini max, all that we will discuss now. Okay, all that we'll discuss. And yes, let's start the first question here. Just have a look. Yeah, I'm going to take it from the example, and once we finish the example we'll jump to the exercise, and that too also we are going to cover. Okay, beta. So here we have two players. Okay, fine. Two players, A and B, playing the tossing the game. If coin match, look at that, coin match, then A gets 5 from B, means A is gaining here, B is losing here. Correct? If coin does not match, B gets 10 from A. Write the payoff matrix. Write the payoff matrix. Bacha, payoff matrix is, so here we have two players. Always most of the case, yeah, player A, and here we have player B. ठीक है जी. Now tell me, coins means possibility is there, you are going to get head or tail. ठीक है जी. Yes or no? Yes or no? So coins means possibility, हाँ वही होएगा ना, दूसरा कुछ नहीं आएगा इसमें. Head or tail, and for this head or tail, what this is, if coin match, A gets 5. If coin is head, A gets what, bacha? 5. If coin get tail, if does not match, B gets, means this person will lose 10 rupees here. समझ में आया? अर्थ आಗಿದೆ? Understood? Now, if coin is head, A get 5. If coin is tail, A lose 10. Same what we have here, my dear student. Here we have, if coin is tail, right? So A may lose 10, and if coin is head, if the coin is tail, A get what, bacha? Yes, he may lose 10. If not, he may gain 5. So what is the case is that, in the andre nodu, here which is the lowest we have, bacha? Tell me, which is the lowest? -10. Okay, -10 is the lowest. Correct? -10 is the lowest here. Here also -10. So we have to account the one which is least. Now this side column wise we have to take the highest. Got it? Got it, bacha? Any doubts? So what we are going to do here, we are focusing of maximum of minimum. This side, this is called row minimum. We are taking row minimum, right? So this is your max mini. We are going in the last column. Yes, my dear student, in column case it is mini max. समझ में आया? Understood? Understood, बच्चा? Any doubts? No? Respond ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, Hizu. Chalo. We have one more question here. Okay, just have a look. I'll write here only so that you will find it very easy. Okay. The 1 second. In certain game, A has three possible. A has three. Player A has three possible. That is P, Q, and R. Fine. And player B, that is player B is here. He has two possible this thing. I mean, that is X and Y choices. X and Y. Payment are made according to the choice made as follows. Choice. What is the choice we have first? P and X. P and X. What happens here? A is paying to B, means he is losing. How much? 3 rupees. That is -3. Okay? Alright. Now P and Y. P and Y. B pays A, means he is gaining 3. Q and X. Bacha, Q and X. A pays B. A pays B, paying, right? -2. Q and Y. Q and Y. Bacha, B pays A, means he is gaining 4. Got my point, bacha? Understood? समझ में आया? Next, R and X. Next, my dear student, R and X. R and X, B pays, means B is paying 2 here. R and Y, B pays, again 3 here. B, whenever the B pays, means for A it's gain, correct? Yes or no? For B it is gain. हौदला? स्टैटिस्टिक इन्फ्लुएंस पढ़ाओगे आगे? हाँ बेटा, सिखाऊंगा पक्का, टेंशन नहीं है. अभी बिलाल ज्वाइन इन दिस वन, इसमें आ जाना एप्लीकेशन पे. बच्चों, as I said, it's a max mini, right? Max minimum, maximum of minimum. That is here. I can see this -3. Here we have -2, and here we have 2. Correct? Yes or no? What we have done, bachcho? Very simple and very easy. Look at that. We have accounted this one first, second, and third. Now column wise go. That is minimax. Minimax. So which is highest here? Yes, it is 2. Right? And here which is highest, bacha? 4. So what we can observe is that, bacho, here, yes, game has saddle point of 2 here. Correct? So saddle point is the very important part in solving the game theory. So bacho, the saddle point here is, the saddle point is, my dear student, what? Yes, tell me. 1, 2, 3, and first column, third row, first column, 3.1. Alright? And the best strategy, you can say that best strategy for player A is R. Okay, note down the best strategy The best strategy for player A is what bacha? R. Understood? Hmm? Can you proceed for next? Bacho, tell me. Okay, problem number 3. I need, you know that, right? First I want to solve all the examples. After that I will take that all the exercise. Not a problem. हो जाएगा. My job is to make it easy. हाँ जी. So let's start now. Look at that. Hey, where is Viharika? Hizu? कहाँ पर है वो? Pratibha, good morning. Now, look at that. What? Yes, bacha. Player A and B plays a game. Okay, there are two players here. Player A and player B. Right? With which each player has 3 coins. They have 3 coins. Right? Means rupee 1, rupee 5, rupee 10. Each of them selected coin. Okay, for same guys here also, like, yes, even he does as rupee 1, rupee 5, rupee 10. Each of them select the coin without the knowledge of other. If the sum, look at that, look, if the sum total value of the coin even number, B wins. Even number means B wins, right? Otherwise odd number, if the B wins, otherwise B wins A's coin. Okay, well, look at that. If the sum of value of coins is even number, A wins B. A is winning the B's coin. Okay, that means even is what? Even means what? Odd means that is 1, 3, 5. Even means something like 2, 3, 4, right? Yes or no? Now, Kettle. Are you there, bacho? Sonu, here we can see that. Hi, Deepa. If the sum value of coin is even number, A wins B's coin. ठीक है? Otherwise B wins A's coin. Okay, B wins A's coin. Very simple है. Easy there. Ega self catering. Settle point is Ega, look at that. 1 rupee we have. If the coin is 1 rupee, what happens here? क्या होगा? ये ना करते. Who will win this? But tell me, if the sum value, total value of the coin is even number, right? That means A wins B's coin. Correct. So who will win this? He will win the A coins here again. But if the coin, in this case he loses 1 rupees, because coin is 5, odd number, right? Even number we have. Yes or no? Same. If the coin is 1, that again A will win here. Yes or no? If the coin is 5, again A will win. If the coin is 10, A will lose 5 rupees. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? if the coin is 10, because these two cases done, if the coin is 10, because both are even, odd number, right? So he lose 10 here, he lose again 10 here, and he gains 10 here. अर्थ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? अंडरस्टूड? सुनो, डाउट है?
No, sir.
1 second, I'll just refresh this because I can't see the Hizan here. I can see two participants. There are some one ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡು, 1 second. Okay. So now tell me, minimax क्या होगा? What is the maximum of minimum? Here -1, -5, and it is 10, right? -10. Now this side 1, ठीक है, 5 and 10. Yes or no? Highest number बच्चा. So tell me, does it has this one saddle point idea? No, I can't see this here, right? Look at that, this one. But look at that, no, nothing. So minimax is not, there is no saddle point, right? Max mean is not is equal to minimax. So no saddle point, there is no saddle point here. अर्थ आಗಿದೆ? समझ में आया? अर्थ आಗಿದೆ बच्चों? Next, the two-person zero sum game means game is fair here. Payoff matrix of they everything they are given. Payoff matrix of player A given below means player A the ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Write down the player B. Fine, I'll do that now. So look at that. Here we have payoff matrix for player A. Now make it player B. Player B, and here you'll get player A. So what happens? Nothing. B1 and B2, this one, ठीक है, and next A1, A2 and बच्चों A3. B1, what is that B1 बच्चा? It was previously minus for loss for this guy, now it's profit, right? So gain 5 आगते, again 3 आगते. See, whatever the negative value is there, right? That by default, if you his gain previously he was losing, now he is gaining, that means additions. So positive आगते, it will be positive point, ठीक है. So this is like A3 minus आगते. Next B2 बच्चा, B2 is again negative we have, right? Make it positive, 4 2 and negative. So if you write this much, you will get 2 marks, guaranteed question. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 marks ಇದೆ, guaranteed question ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? From the following data, find the value of the game using the minimax and max mini principles. Okay, fine. So बच्चों, you may get this question for your exams. Look at that. Player B, player A. बच्चों, we have B1, B2 and B3. A1, A2 and A3. So they given 3 1 2 1 0 3 4 2 and 3, ठीक है. So now we have to take the minimum of maximum, right? So which is that here? 1 we have here, you can say 0. So minimum of row minimum, you can say that. Max this one 2. So all is your max mini. Right? Now highest you take it from this row, highest you, which is highest bacha? We have 4 here. Correct? See here we have taken this, we have taken this, and yeah, we have accounted this one. Now here we have 4, here we have 2, that means it has saddle point, and here you can take any of the 3. So this is your minimax. So saddle point is saddle point is 3 and 2, correct? 3 this row side, column 2. Huh? The payoff at this position is 2, is 2. So the value of game is 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Understood? Can you go for the next problem बच्चों? चलो perfect. No doubt बच्चों, tell me. Okay, here we have 2 players, player B. Yes, tell me Sonu. ಇದು ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
First one 6.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು?
Ah, sir.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ?
No, sir. That is only they told, sir. But we should take minimum or maximum, which is in the first row or first column. If it is double 3 3 in A1 and A2, we should take first A1 they told, sir.
हाँ जी, ऐसा है ना, ये वाला बोल रहे हैं. This one you're talking about, right?
Ah, sir. They told first we should take A2. Ah, sir.
Then okay fine, चलेगा. डोमिनेंस में आएगा वो कंपेरेटिव में, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट.
Yeah, sir.
चलो बच्चा, वी हैव 6 हियर, ठीक है, वी हैव 6, 12, 7, 7, 9, 8, 5, 8, 10, 3, 6, 9. Now out of this, first is what bacha? 6. Here we have 7, 5, 3. ठीक है? Now
6.
this side highest 6, so we got it right. हाँ sorry, अरे कैसा हुआ रे? 7, this one 7, so here we have 12, here 10, so we can say that this is the saddle point is
7.
हाँ जी, saddle point is 2 and 1, right? Sorry. Saddle point is 2 and 1, A2 and B1. The payoff of this position is 7. Value of the game is 7. Hardly take 2 minutes, I guess, to solve. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡು ದಟ್ ನಾವು. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ exercise. Okay. चलो बच्चों, लेट्स डू दिस नाउ. कितना आएगा? y and x, p q r, a b c and d. Here we have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0. Okay. And this side, yes, 3, and you can say 0, and yes, 4. Bachcho, tell me saddle point is 0. Correct? One, two, three, 4, and second column. 4 and second column. Fourth row and second column. The payoff matrix is 0. Value of the game is 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಚಲೋ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ठीक है, ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಈಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
Sir, after this district exam, you can tell importance in exams, which problem we can solve.
Yeah, that I'll that yes, I have to. We will make syllabus very much crisp. I mean, we'll make it out of this complete syllabus. We'll make it minimum of like, चलो ठीक है, 50 to 60% will focus on syllabus, so that
Yes, sir.
complete आ जाएंगे marks.
Yes, sir.
Main my focus is like 30 marks किस तरीके से लेंगे ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು 30 marks. एक 70 marks ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ if you continuous practice ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
But it's difficult. Sir.
हाँ, so here we have to focus more. चलो, solve the following game. Dominance principle is the game is fair. See, dominance is what? Very simple. We are going to compare this row wise, and you know that, right? First, what we take? We take we are going to make a total of this first. Okay, 3 plus 2, how much is going to be? 5 minus 1, 4. And here we have 5 plus 2, 7. Correct? 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 1, 6. So, who is dominating whom here? Tell me, bacha. A is A dominating, sorry, A2 dominating A1, right?
Yes, sir.
What we do is that very simple. We are going to remove this. I mean, we are going to delete this. 1 second, I'll just tell you. We are going to remove this. This is gone. Next again, we have to write all that. I'll explain. But first, चलो ठीक है, first ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆನೂ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾವು? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಬಚ್ಚಾ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ರಿಟೇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Lowest value we have removed, correct? Now what we have here? We have 4 minus 1, 3. ठीक है, and here we have -1, correct, and here we have 5 plus 4, 9. So tell me which is the highest value here. B3 is the highest value, correct. That means, my dear student, B1 and B2, remember, B1 and B2 is dominating B3. So what we do, bacha? Yes, we are going to remove this, delete this. Arth agide? Understood? Now, next part is that, ये कैसा white है रे? चलो, next, here we have 1, here we have -1, here we have 2. Tell me, who is dominating whom? Highest value we have to retain, right? A3 and A2, correct. So A4 is dominating A3 and A2, so that we will remove this. ठीक है? Okay, now we have only these two. Now in this we have to take the highest value. So B2 is dominating B1. That means, bacha, we are removing what? We are deleting this B1. So game is what? Game is A4 and B2. Okay, समझ में आया? अर्थ आया था?
Yes, sir.
चलो, we'll solve this problem now. And this question is guaranteed. हाँ बेटा.
In this, there is a last statement, sir. It is not a fair game, or we should tell it is a fair game or it is not a fair game.
हाँ, fair game. When the fair game is 0.
Value is equals to 0.
हाँ जी. If it is 0, then it is called as a fair game. ठीक है?
In all statement, we should try to, if they give only, it is fair, find that it is fair game or not. Then only we should write that statement.
ನಾ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ 0 ಅಂತ, ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌದಪ್ಪ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಲಾಸು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಫೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್, ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೇನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್.
The value is equals to 0.
हाँ जी. If you get some value, that fair game is not fair, right? One is winning and another is losing here. One's heart is broken and one's heart is like he's top of the sky.
Yes.
Get a point?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. बच्चों, start now. Player B. For me it will be easy, okay? I just do copy paste, but for you, you have to write it every time. Whenever थोड़ा neatly नहीं पाना. Player B, player A. A1, A2, A3 and A4. ठीक है? Now look at that. क्या दिया इन लोगों ने? Yes, 2 -1 3, 2 -1 5, -1 0 0, 2 0 4. ठीक है? You can just write all these not like this. Okay, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So now start writing. Okay. You can say all the payoff in ओके सिंपल करेंगे. इन मैक्स मिनी रो, राइट, रो A2 बच्चों, A2 right, A2 row is highest or greater than A1. A2 row is greater than A1. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, delete greater than A1, delete A1, right? So you can say A2 dominated A1. ठीक है. So what I do that, I copy paste. आपको कितना लिखना पड़ेगा बड़ी पे तले, डिलीट A1. ठीक है, अर्थ आಗಿದೆ. अगेन ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಾನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 3 + 2 5 - 1 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5 + 2 7 - 1 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೇಮ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इन मैक्स मिनी ಬೇಡ, ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿನಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ ನಡೀತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೇ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೇ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ದ B1, ಓಕೆ, B1 is less than B3. Even B2 is also less than B3, right? That means B1 dominates B3. Delete B3. That means बच्चों ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 4 - 1 3 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದಂತೂ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದಂತೂ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ and delete. ठीक है. चलो जी, ओके. now बच्चों केटले these two, right? We have -1, we have -1, and we have 2 here. So in that strategy 4, okay, payoff, or you can say strategy A4 is dominates A3 and A2. A3 and A2. Okay, so delete A2 and A3. यार कहाँ गया? ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಯಸ್ ಬಚ್ಚು, ಯಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಮಿನೇಟ್. ठीक है. Now in this case strategy, स्ट्रैटेजी की स्पेलिंग क्या है? स्ट्रैटेजीज, STARTEGY. STRATEGY स्ट्रैटेजी. ठीक है. व्हाट? यस बच्चों, लास्ट स्ट्रैटेजी B2. B2 is dominates B1. Delete it. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So saddle point is saddle point is 4 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Four and 2, and even game is fair, right? Game is 4. Value of game is 0 and game is fair here. ठीक है? Understood? Tell me बच्चा. Can we solve one more? Easy है ना? Easy दिला?
Yes, sir. But little tricky. Where should take the maximum? Where should take the minimum?
ದೇಖ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಾಮಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಾವು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೋಡು, -5 -7 -12 -12 and 3 -9. ठीक है. 7 ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಹೂಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ನಾವು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಬೇಗ. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟೇನ್ ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಇದು 9ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇದು -9 ಇದೆ, just have a look. We have one more, right? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 5 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
ಲೇಖ ತಾನೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ
Yes, sir.
ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೀಗ?
Yes, sir.
ಚಲೋ. ನೋ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 11 ಇದೆ. ಎನಿವೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು 11 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್. ಹೈನಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು, ಇದಿದೆ. ठीक है. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ -6, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 8. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ನಾವು?
Next, before me. 6.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ.
6.
ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ?
I should wait.
ಹಾಂ ಜಿ. ಸೊ ಗೇಮ್ ಫೇರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 2 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 0, ಸೊ ಗೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇರ್. ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್? ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರೀ.
No, sir.
ನೋ ನೀನ್
I
ರೈಟ್,
understood, sir.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ರೈಟ್?
Yeah.
ಚಲೋ. ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ LLP. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಚಲೋ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಚ್ಚಾ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇದಿದೆ, ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट दैट मच बिग क्वेश्चन. आई मीन उतना बड़ा नहीं है, मुगिस्ಬೋದು, 1 ತಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ठीक है,
Yes.
चलो bye bye. I'll catch you after 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock sharp I'll come back. Okay ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो bye bye. And those who are watching on the YouTube application ದಾಗ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಚ್ಚು. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ನೇವಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ದಾಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.